So today we will do the graphs of lines having equation like this: x equals to h, y equals to k. So see here, x equals to h means like x equals to 3, y equals to 2, like this. X equals to 3, y plus 2 equals to 0. So see here, if the equation is like this, then this type of line will be parallel to y axis. x equals to h है means y axis के parallel होगी, parallel to y axis. And what will be the perpendicular distance between line and y axis? It will be equal to h. It will be equal to h. Now see here, I have done the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1, 2, 6, 7. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. You can see here, x equals to h will be a line parallel to y axis. What will be the perpendicular distance between the line and y axis? It will be equal to h. Suppose one equation is x plus 3 equals to 0, means x is equal to what? -3. So what is h here? -3. So this line is parallel to y axis and passing through here. It will be this. This will be the x equals to -3. Now one more thing, every point situated on this line will have x coordinate as -3. कोई भी पॉइंट इस लाइन पर हो, उसका x कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होगा? -3. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर, व्हाट इज द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ दिस पॉइंट? -3, 0. If you here also you do the numbering 1, 2, 3, 2. If you take this point, what will be the coordinate of this point? -3, 3. If you take this point, what will be the coordinate of this point? So every point on this line will have x coordinate as -3. Suppose if I write x minus 5 equals to 0, it means x is equal to what? 5. It is parallel to which axis? Y axis. What is h here? 5. H is 5 means it will be this. Means this line is having what distance from the y axis? It is equal to 5. It is x equals to 5. Every point on this line will have x coordinate as 5. It is clear? Now see here. Similarly, so have you noted this thing? Have you noted? If you are not noted, then note down. Now if the equation is like y equals to k, then it will be parallel to equation of line parallel to which axis? Parallel to x axis. What is k? It is the perpendicular distance of line from the x axis. If you write y equals to 3, it will be which line? This line. This line will be y equals to 3. It's clear? Every point on this line will have y coordinate equals to 3. What is the equation of this line? Who can tell? equation of this line. Already I have told. This is x-axis and its equation is y equals to 0. Y equals to 0. What is the equation of this line? X equals to 0. This already I have told. Suppose here if it is y plus 2 equals to 0, then y will be equal to what? Minus 2. This is y equals to 3. Y equals to minus 2 means it will be this line. This is the line y plus 2 equals to 0. What is minus 2 here? Minus 2 is this perpendicular distance. Here it is minus 2. It is clear? So these are the equations of line parallel to x-axis and parallel to y-axis. Now you see the questions. Question number 12, 19.2 perhaps, it is 19.2 exercise. Question number 12. This. Question number 12. On the graph paper, take 2 centimeter equals to 1 unit on both axes and draw the lines. Take 2 centimeter equals to 1 unit, it means it is like this. On both axes you will take, this is 1, 2, 3. Here it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Similarly, here in this side, it is 1, 2, this will be 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. On the graph paper, take 2 centimeter to represent 1 unit on both axes. Draw the line x plus 3 equals to 0. So see here, x plus 3 equals to 0 means x equals to minus 3. It will be parallel to which axis? Y axis. Where will be? It will be this. This is the line x plus 3 equals to 0. At every point of this line, इस लाइन के हर एक पॉइंट का x कोऑर्डिनेट इज -3. Then y minus 2 equals to 0. Y minus 2 equals to 0 means y equals to 2. Y equals to 2 means it will be this. It is this line. Produce in both the sides. It is y minus 2 equals to 0. And then third is 2x plus 3y equals to 12. So here you have to make the table. 2x plus 3y equals to 12. So this I am making here. Here you can take x, this is y, and this is x comma y, x comma y. So see here, first you make the subject 3y equals to 12 minus 2x. So y equals to what? 12 minus 2x upon 3. अब क्या है, हम x की वैल्यू ऐसी लेंगे ताकि क्या है, न्यूमरेटर 3 की टेबल में आ जाए. 3 1 जा, 3 2 जा, 3 3 जा, like this. It's clear. So you take x equals to 3. When you will take x equals to 3, 2 into 3, 6. 12 minus 6, 6. 6 upon 3, 2. 3, here x is 3, so y is 2. Point is 3 comma 2. Now see here, if you take x equals to 0, x equals to 0, 2 into 0, 0. 12 minus 0, 12. 3y equals to 12, so y equals to 4. So 0 and this is 4. So this is 0 comma 4. It is clear. Then here you can take 3 by 2. 3 by 2, yes. When you will take x equals to 3 by 2, so 2x will be what? 2 into 3 by 2 means 3. 2x, 2 into 3 by 2, it will be equal to 3. It is clear? 12 minus 3, 9. 9 upon 3 is 3. So it is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means 1.5. So it is 3. So 3 by 2 comma 3. You plot these points. So 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2, x में 3 के सामने, y में 2 के सामने. So it will be this point. It's clear? Here you plot 4 also, because there is one point here. Then 0 comma 4. 0 comma 4 here you have to plot. This 0 comma 4 will be this point. This point will be 0 comma 4. Then 3 by 2, that is 1.5 comma 3. x में 1.5 के सामने, y में 3 के सामने. 1.5 क्या है? ये है. एंड y में 3 के सामने. ये फर्स्ट ग्राफ में, नोटबुक में तो लाइंस बनी रहती हैं. ये. Now you join these points. So when you will join these points, here this will come out this. ये तो बहुत ऊपर चला गया. This point. These points you encircle. It's clear? This way. This. Now see here, in the next part you have to find area of the triangle formed by the lines and formed by these lines. Write down the coordinate of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines. Coordinate of the vertices of triangle formed by these lines. These lines means one line is this, other is this and third is this. यहाँ तो ये मिल नहीं पाएगा. But if you see here, if you close this, you can see here, you complete this. किसी ने किया है complete? Law. Because here in board it will go outside the board. Yes. So see here, all of you see. You will produce one line is this. This is the one line, this line. It's clear? One line is this, which is this line. It's clear? And third line is this slanting line. So here when you will produce, it will go outside the board. You produce here. It's clear? Now which triangle is forming? So one vertex is A, other is B and third is C. One is A, other is B and third is C. What is the coordinate of A? Who can tell? Coordinate of A minus 3 comma 6. It is clear? On x axis it is in front of minus 3. On y axis it is in front of 6. It is clear? When you will complete, you will get. This is very simple, not difficult thing. Then what is the coordinate of B? Minus 3 comma 2. It's clear? It is in front of 2 on y axis. And what is the coordinate of C? C point will be this. What is the coordinate here? 3, 2. It is clear? So in this way you can complete and find the coordinate of vertices. It is clear? So that way you can do. Now you see this also, next question. In the next question, perhaps it is not given that how many centimeter equals to. So you can change here. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and minus 6. 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now you can see here, find graphically the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by the lines y equals to 0. Y equals to 0 is which line? It is the x-axis. This is y equals to 0. It is clear? This line is y equals to 0. You can write that y equals to 0 will be x-axis. Then second is y equals to x. Y equals to x means you can see here, you make the table. Here you take x, y, x comma y. When x is 1, y is also 1, point is 1 comma 1. When x is 0, y is also 0, it is 0 comma 0. X is 2, y is also 2, it is 2 comma 2. So you plot the point. One point is this 0 comma 0, then other point is this 1 comma 1, and then third point is this. These are the 3 points. So when you will draw it, it will be a line passing through origin. Line passing through origin. So this is the second line. It is clear? Then third line is 2x plus 3y equals to 10. 2x plus 3y equals to 10. So you can see here 2x plus 3y equals to 10. So what is 3y? 10 minus 2x. So you make the table here. This is x, y and x comma y. Now see here, you take such a value of x so that here you get the number which is in the table of 9, table of 3. So you take x equals to 1 by 2. X equals to 1 by 2, it will be equal to what? 2x will be 1, 10 minus 1, 9, 9, that is 3, that is 1 upon 2 comma 3. Then what will you take? You take 3, not 3, if minus 1. You take minus 1. When you will take minus 1, 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Minus 2 into this minus plus 2. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 upon 3 means 4. That is minus 1 comma 4. Then here what will you take? 0, but it will be 10 upon 3, so don't take. It's clear, 10 upon 3 non-terminating. No, it is 3. If you take x equals to 5, x equals to 5, x equals to 5, so 2 into 5, 10. 10 minus 10 equals to 0. 3y equals to 0, so y equals to 0. It is 5 comma 0. You plot these points. 1 by 2 comma 3. 1 by 2 with this comma 3 means it will be somewhere here. This point. That's clear? This. Then minus 1 comma 4. Minus 1 comma 4 and 5 comma 0. So when you will plot, all of you wait for a minute. This triangle will be obtained. Here this is the triangle A, this is already O and this is B. What are the coordinate of vertices? Coordinate of this vertex 0 comma 0. Here of what? 5 comma 0. And if you see A, it is in front of 2 and 2, that is 2 comma. Then you can see area. Area of triangle 1 upon 2 base into height. What is base here? Base you can see 5. What is the height? Height is this. This is equals to 2. It is clear? It is equal to, this length is equal to 2. So 1 upon 2, 5 into 2. So that is equals to 5 square unit. 5 square unit. This way you can do.